Today we held a emergency CWBC meetings to discuss the terrific Pahalgam terrorist attack. We begin the meeting with a 2-minute silence for paying homage to the deceased personalities. Honorable Congress President presided in the meeting. CPP Chairperson Srimati Sonia Gandhi, Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi, and all other CWC members attended. In this meeting, we passed a resolution, which I am going to read it out. The Congress Working Committee expressed its deepest shock and condemnation of the heinous terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Jammu Kashmir on April 22, 2025, which claimed the lives of 26 innocent tourists and left more than 20 others grievously injured. Congress Working Committee extends its deepest condolences to the bereaved families, stands with them wholeheartedly in this moment of profound anguish. This cowardly and calculated act of terror, masterminded by Pakistan, is an direct assault on the values of our republic. The deliberate targeting of Hindus was done to inflame passions across the country. We appeal for calm in the face of this grave provocation and reaffirm our collective strength in the face of adversity. The CWC appeals for calm and reaffirms the Indian National Congress' long-standing resolve to combat cross-border terrorism with determination and unity. In order to demonstrate the collection will of the nation, the CWC also pays tribute to the local poniwalas and tourist guides, one of whom was martyred while selflessly trying to protect the tourists to uphold the idea of India. In order to demonstrate the collective will of the nation, the Indian National Congress sat on the night of the 22nd itself, called for an all-party meeting chaired by the Honorable Prime Minister. The meeting has now been scheduled for today. Pahalgam is known to be heavily guarded area, security by 3-tier security arrangement. It is imperative that a comprehensive analysis is conducted into the intelligence failures and security lapses that enabled such an attack in a union territory, an area directly under the purview of the Union Home Ministry. This question must be raised in the larger public interest. This is the only way justice can truly be seen to be served for the families whose lives have been so brutally devastated. The CWC also note the Amarnath Yatra is set to be commenced shortly. Lakhs of pilgrims from across India participate in the annual journey and their safety must be treated as a national priority. Robust, transparent and proactive security arrangement must be put in place without delay. The safety of pilgrims as well as the livelihood of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, many of whom depend on tourism, must be protected with full sincerity and seriousness. The massacre has rightly drawn condemnation from all political parties in Jammu and Kashmir and from a wide cross-section of its citizens. However, it is shocking that the BJP is exploiting this grave tragedy through officials and proxy social media platform to sow further discord, mistrust, polarization and division at a time when unity and solidarity is must needed.